Hi boys and girls. Today you're going to need to take out your iReady workbook and you're going to open to page 174. You can pause the video if you need to. It's the lesson 11 on text features, part 1, captions, bold print, okay, subheadings. What we're going to learn is using text features to help find information in nonfiction text will help you better understand what you read. Okay? It says stores use signs and pictures to help you find what you need. Writers use special signs called text features to help you find important ideas and details in a text. Captions, bold print, and subheadings are one type of text feature to look for when you read. Read the passage below about igloos. What text features do you see? So go ahead, take a minute, pause the video, and I'd like you to read the passage part here, down here about igloos, House of Snow, and then we're going to talk about what text features you see. So go ahead and take a minute to pause. House of Snow. An igloo is a house made of snow. Some people in snowy areas still make igloos today. Making an igloo. Igloos are built with large blocks of packed snow. The snow is cut with a saw or knife. The blocks are then stacked tightly together in the shape of a dome. The window in this igloo is made of sea ice. So what I saw here was a heading telling me the title of the passage. I saw bold words. They're a little bit darker, telling me they're important. And the caption describing this picture. Good readers are always looking at these features because it helps them to read. You don't want to skip the picture because that might give you some important information. You're going to slide over and take a look at page 175. It says, look again at the article about igloos. Fill in the chart below to tell about the features. So here you're going to fill in with the caption, the bold print, and the subheading. Why do you need to know those parts? Go ahead and pause the video. What I have here, I'm going to hold up my book for you to see. My book's a little bit bigger here. Is that your caption is describing or telling about an illustration or a photo. The bold print shows important words. The subheadings tell the name of the section and gives you a preview of what you want to read. So you can pause if you need to copy that down. At the bottom of your page, it tells you, use the information in this chart about captions, bold print, subheading. Talk to somebody, talk to a partner, talk to your teacher in class, a friend sitting next to you. How do these help you read? And the words that they want you to talk about are text features, subheadings, bold print, and captions. So pause the video, take a minute or two to talk about those things. When you come back, we're going to open up to sod houses. This is on page 176. I would like you to pause the video while you read this passage. Have you ever heard of a sod house? Sod is a layer of dirt. It has grass growing on it. Long ago, pioneers used sod to build houses all across the American prairie. Why people built sod houses? The prairie looked like a sea of grass. There were not many trees that pioneers could use to build houses, so they cut bricks out of sod instead. Building a sod house. Making sod bricks was not easy. The roots from prairie grasses were tough. They were hard to cut through. Pioneers stacked up sod bricks while the roots were still growing. After a while, the bricks would grow together to make a strong wall. Sod houses kept pioneers cool in the summer and warm in the winter. They also protected them from storms. Under the picture, the caption reads, "A family and their sod house in Nebraska." At the bottom, you see this box. It's got a purple heading on it, and it said Close Reader Habits. Circle text features that help you find information in the article. If you think there was a text feature that was helpful, I want you to take a minute, pause the video, and circle that text feature.
Reed Tiger, please report to the main office. Your mom is here. Reed Tiger, please report to the main office. Your mom is here.
Sorry about that. So in my book, these are some features that are circled. The bold words, the headings, the caption, all important things that tell you as a reader, I want to stop and I want to take a look at that word. I want to look maybe at that word more closely, prairie or sod. When I look at this picture in my book, okay, that's a family in Nebraska. It's telling me about the family. So you're going to continue on page 177 in your book. And there is a little chart here. You're going to pause the video, fill that in, and tell the different text feature, what the purpose was, and an example. Okay? So you can pause, and then I will put the answer key up for you to take a look at.